Hello dear friends, welcome back. We are recording about the muscles of the hypothenar region of the hand. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the palmaris brevis muscle. Now let's see the fourth muscle, the last muscle in the hypothenar region, that is the opponens digiti minimi. Opponens digiti, there was opponens pollicis and there is opponens digiti minimi, which bring your small digit towards your pollicis or towards your thumb. So this is opponens digiti minimi. I hope you are understanding me. Opponens digiti minimi is the intrinsic muscle of the hand, it's a part of the hypothenar muscles. Okay, where is it located? It is located in the hypothenar region of the hand. Okay, where does it arises? It gets its origin from the hook of the hamate bone. From what? From flexure retiniculum. Look, this is your opponens digiti minimi muscle, this one, right? Whenever it will contract, it will cause the movement of your small digit towards your thumb. Okay, it gets its origin from the hook of hamate bone and flexure retiniculum, and it inserts into the ulnar aspects of the metacarpal bone of digit number 5. This is metacarpal bone of digit number 5. Okay, what are its action at carpo-metacarpal joint number 5? Finger flexion and finger lateral rotation and opposition. These three movements, it helps in these three movements of this little finger, right? So it also helps in the lateral rotation, right? What is its blood supply? It is supplied by deep palmar branch of the ulnar artery and deep palmar arch. So here you can see all those arteries. And what is its innervation? It is innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve, which come from C8 and CT1. So this is opponens digiti minimi. Okay, this was about the muscles which are present in the hypothenar region. Now next lecture will be about some muscles, three groups of other muscles which are present in the dorsal surface of your hand, in between the metacarpal bones, which we call dorsal interossi muscles, and then there will be some muscles in the palm in between the metacarpals, which we will call the plantar or palmar interossi, and then there will be another group of muscles in between them which are called lumbricals or lumbricoid muscles, right? So the three groups of other muscles are remaining, and then we will be finished with the muscles of the upper limb, inshallah. So friends, if you like our lectures, please share all these videos with your friends and with your fellows, so that they can also get some benefits of it. We will see you in the next lecture. Till then friends, Allah Hafiz.